Today we are going to talk about chapter 10, which deals with the processes of word formation in Stagger's books, an introductory English grammar. English gets new words by means of easily definable processes employed by users of English. These processes are: first, compounding. It means joining of two or more words into a single word. For example, busy boy, alongside, and high school. Compound words are either spaced or hyphenated or written as single words. The second process is derivation, which means forming new words by combining derivational affixes or bound bases with existing words, as in teleplay, deplane, re-ask. Also, the third process of word formation is invention, which means inventing new words, as in Kodak, nylon, etc. The third process is echoism, which means the formation of words whose sound suggests their meaning, for example, roar, murmur, or click. The fifth process is a clipping, which means cutting off the beginning or the end of a word, as in prof, exam, and math. The process acronymy is the process whereby a word is formed from the initials of a succession of words, for example, UNESCO, OPIC, and RV. The seventh process is a blending, which means the fusion of two words, as in transistor, telecast, smog. The eighth process is back formation, means the formation of a word from one that looks like its derivative. For example, the word hedgehog, which is created from hedgehopper, not vice versa, and edit, which is created from the word editor, not vice versa. Also, we have the process folk etymology, which means changing a word in part or whole to make it more understandable and more like familiar words. For example, coleslaw, helpmate, and cockroach. The 10th process is antonomasia, which means the formation of a common noun, a verb, or an adjective from the name of a person or a place, as in sandwich, cashmere, and hamburger. Also, we have the last process of word formation, reduplication, which means forming a new word by doubling a morpheme, usually with a change of a vowel or initial consonants, for example, lovey-dovey, super-duper, and ding-dong. Thanks a lot and best of luck.